So we're gonna get started by renaming the file here. So instead of content view, we're gonna go with timer view, and we're gonna change everything here to timer view. And then we're gonna change the preview as well to timer view. And then we wanna make sure to go to the timer app here and then make sure this content view is timer view. Right? Now let's go back to the timer view and get started with the actual code. We're gonna actually remove all of this and get started with the state variable. So state private var. So actually we want this outside the body. And then we're gonna call it time remaining. And then let's say 300 seconds, right? So this is very simple. This is just tracking the time remaining. And now what we want to do here is add a text, and it's going to be a string here. So just time remaining for now, and then we're going to format it later, right? And then let's say this is going to be a large title to make it bigger. So dot font and then dot large title. And we could also add some padding to it. And now let's reload this to see how it looks. So as you can see the timer here, so 300 seconds. And now what we want to do is actually create the timer. We're going to do this by using onAppear, so dot onAppear. So that means when the text appears, we're going to run whatever is in here, and it's going to be very simple. So timer dot scheduled timer with time interval. So over here, we're going to specify the number of seconds, and it's going to be 1, right? And then we're going to specify that repeats is true. And then what we need here is the actual timer. So we're going to do timer in, right? And then over here, we want to handle time remaining changing, right? And it's actually as simple as just doing if time remaining is more than 0. So if there's still some time remaining, what we're going to do is decrease the time remaining, right? And then otherwise, what we're going to do is stop the timer. So timer dot invalidate like this. So this will stop the timer when the time remaining reaches 0. So as you can see on the right here, it's already working, but it's only in terms of seconds. So now what we want to do is format this to show the minutes and the seconds. And it's actually very simple. All you want to do is go outside the body here and create a new function. So private function, and then let's call it time string. And then we're going to take in parameters as seconds, and this one is going to be integer. And as you expect, this will return a string because we want to use it here, right? And then what we're going to do is set up the minutes. So let minutes equals seconds divided by 60, right? So this is going to be the number of minutes. And then as for the seconds, it's going to be mod 60 like this. And that's pretty much it. Now we just need to format it. So return and then string and then format. And we're going to use the percent sign like this, and then 02D, right? Because we want 2 digits here, and then semicolon, and then the same thing again, 02D, right? And then now we're done here. We just want to add minutes and seconds like this. And that's pretty much it. But now this is not going to work because we still have just time remaining here. So we haven't used the function yet, but it's very simple to use. So you just copy time string right here and then simply remove all of this and remove this. And you just need to add from right here. And that's pretty much it. You'll see on the right that it updated, and now you can see the minutes and the seconds. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you learned something new, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.